Today we are going to do a lesson on subatomic particles. The three subatomic particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. The electrons are written as e raised to minus 1 or the Greek letter beta with a negative 1 charge. It is assigned a charge of minus 1. The charge in coulombs is 1.6022 into 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. The electrons were discovered by JJThompson in the cathode ray tube experiment in 1897. The mass of an electron is 9.1094 into 10 to the power of negative 31. If you compare the mass of an electron to that of a proton, the proton is about 1837 times heavier than an electron. The mass of an electron can also be represented using atomic mass units. It's 5.45 into 10 to the power of negative 4 atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit is equals to 1 by 12 of a carbon-12 isotope of carbon. If you want to know more about atomic mass units, refer to my video on relative atomic masses. The next subatomic particle is the proton. Proton is assigned a charge of plus 1. The charge in coulombs is equals to 1.6022 into 10 to the power of negative 19 coulombs. It is the same charge as that of an electron. Protons were discovered by Ernest Rutherford in 1920. However, it was earlier discovered by Eugene Goldstein, but Rutherford was the one who identified the proton in the hydrogen atom, so he is mostly credited with the discovery of the proton. The mass of a proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power of negative 27 kilograms. It can also be expressed as in atomic mass units. It's 1.007 atomic mass units. The next subatomic particle is a neutron. Neutrons are assigned a zero charge. The mass of a neutron is 1.6749 into 10 to the power of negative 27 kilograms. It was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. If you compare the mass of a neutron with that of a proton, the neutron is slightly heavier than the proton. This is also evident from the relative atomic mass, which is 1.008 AMU. The neutrons and the protons reside in the nucleus of an atom, and the electrons are usually present in the outer shell or energy levels. Those are your subatomic particles, and that's it for now. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.